Initiating simulation 001. Accessing physics module. What if the Earth just stopped? At the equator, the Earth spins at 1,000 miles per hour. If it stops, you don't. Everything not bedrock anchored is instantly launched eastward. The atmosphere continues moving, creating supersonic winds faster than an atomic blast. Forests are scoured from the crust. Cities are flattened instantly. But the initial shock is just the beginning. Without the centrifugal force of the spin, gravity pulls the oceans to the poles. The equator becomes a dry, rocky megacontinent. Northern Europe, Canada, and Russia are now underwater. The new global ocean covers everything north of Chicago. The concept of 24 hours is gone. A day now lasts a year. 6 months of scorching sun, followed by 6 months of absolute freezing darkness. The only habitable zone is the thin strip of twilight between the burning day and frozen night. A nomadic existence, chasing the sunset forever. But civilization, as we know it ended the moment the brakes were hit. Simulation complete. Result, 99.9% fatality. Saving data to the archive. Subscribe to the simulation log. We run the scenarios so you don't have to.